everyone, I'm Jasmine. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you guys the Osmo Creative Starter Kit. I wanted this for a really long time and I finally have it. And this has 3 games and it's ages 5 to 10. You can draw, create, and imagine through play. And this is also used in over 30,000 classrooms. So this is actually a cool game. You connect to your iPad and you can play. And people love this so much and they don't even realize that they're learning. So let's open this and see what it comes with. I've always wanted an Osmo kit, and especially this one. There's actually lots of starter kits, but I wanted this one because I love to draw. Here it's coming out. Whoa. I ripped it. Well, so I'm so excited to see it. I think it's upside down. Or I'll just, here it is. So this is what's inside here. Let's try getting this out. What could this be? Ooh, I'm so excited to see what could be inside this. So this is actually the creative board, and it really looks like a whiteboard. And this is where you're gonna draw on. You're gonna connect it to your iPad and you're gonna draw on it. So here are the dry erase markers. I have red, purple, blue, and green. I love these 2 colors. As you can see, they're even on my shirt. So here is the pouch, and you can also use it to erase the dry erase markers that you're gonna be drawing with, and you can even fit your markers in here. It's like a little storage pack. So here is the projector, and here's the thing that holds your iPad. So your iPad goes in here and then your projector goes. This is the projector. Smooth. We're gonna pick out the projector. There's a little mirror inside the projector. So this goes right here. And the iPad will be there, then the projector goes on top. So I'm gonna be using an iPad. So here are the instructions. And if I haven't told you before, you do need an iPad for this, or else it's not gonna work. So what you need is a internet access, an email account, iTunes account, and an iPad. So those are the things you need for the Osmo creative set. And you need to download the app on the link right here. It's Osmo World. You have to download it on your iPad that you're gonna be using. So I'm gonna download it. Oh no. Okay, I'm on it, and now I'm gonna download Osmo. Now I've downloaded the app, I'm going to come here and get onto the app, Osmo World. And this actually comes with 3 games, Neptune and Monster and Masterpiece, but I wanna go with Monster. Okay, so when I downloaded Osmo World, it asked me to do my account. So I had my mom help me on it, and then we went and downloaded all the games. But I'm gonna go now. I put my iPad on the Osmo base, and it's asking me to put on the reflector. So I'm gonna put on the reflector. There you go. guys, and so we're playing Monster. So play.
Hello, new friend. I'm Mo. What's your name?
Jaslyn.
Pleased to meet you. Welcome to the land of imagination and my monster house. It's a little empty now, but with your help, we can fill it up. To create something here, you need to draw something down there you want to do. We can put on a magic show, draw a bedroom, or go on an adventure.
How about we draw a bedroom?
Oh, I was hoping you'd choose this. I've always wanted my own bedroom. To start, let's add a little color to the walls. Could you clear the board and draw a flower?
Yep. Maybe he wants it green. So. So, Mo wanted me to draw a flower, so I drew my flower, and now I'm going to press OK.
Nice!
Thousand of them.
How about something cool to look at? Could you clear the board and draw a picture of your favorite person?
Ooh, maybe I can try copying that. I'll use purple though. Guys, I had so much fun playing Monster, but now I'm playing Mutant. It has over 60 levels of fun and creative engineering. So for Mutant, I have a piece of paper, and I'm gonna start with level 1 because that's the only one that's unlocked. So number 1. Draw. Okay. Ooh. Wow, I did fantastic. Go. Wow. Ooh. I'm gonna go here. On the line. Okay, Mutant was a little complicated, but I'm gonna try this a lot and try getting the hang of it. Okay, so now I'm gonna play Masterpiece where you can draw anything. So I'm gonna click on animals and I'm gonna go for the first one that is a fox. I'm gonna color it purple. So this is the one I'm drawing. Fox. I'm drawing my fox. So guys, this is my fox that I drew. I tried my best, but I'm pretty sure I will have more improvement. So, well, for the first time, I think this is actually pretty good. I had so much fun with the creative kit, and we checked out all of the games, applications that came with the creative set. But my favorite one was probably Monster, because Mo the Monster brought my drawings onto the screen, and that's just, it was cool. But I also like Masterpiece because it will help me improve my drawing, and I think I want a little bit more improvement. So guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Remember, have some fun.